Hello guys, how are you doing? Today I'll be reviewing my new Leatherman, which is actually a Leatherman Juice S2. So this is the new Juice S2, as you can see by these scales, and then these stainless ones. I will just start off, I guess. So the pliers are pretty strong. I enjoy them. So needle nose pliers, bigger ones, soft wire cutters and hard wire cutters. Then you have Phillips screwdriver, and then you have 3 flathead screwdrivers. So I'm not sure if this happens in all of them, but at least in my one, my only criticism to the build of this, I hope I can focus it. So I don't know if you can see it, but the middle one is a little bit weird shape. So I will try to demonstrate it. So you can hear a click with this one, but with the middle one, not this. Okay, not this one. Wow, feeling really hard. Okay, with this one, not so much. So I know that these two, they can lock almost certainly, but this one, it's just flimsy. I'm sure if I send it to Leatherman, they would fix it up, but honestly, I don't want to go through all that trouble. So then you have a blade, and this comes really sharp. I'll see if I have anything to cut around here. Well, just a random piece of paper. This is a pretty old paper, so it's kind of falling apart, but you can see it's really sharp. Also, you have a combination bottle opener and can opener, and then you also have a pair of scissors, which also work. Also work great. So before buying this one, I actually had the Juice CS4, and I will have to say that this one it's much better for a urban environment and just suits my needs way better. Oh, and this is just a pocket clip I got from China for like 40 cents or something, and I attached it with this keyring to this part of the tool. I think you're supposed to. I saw some people put a lanyard here, but I just feel more comfortable with a pocket clip for some reason. I actually got a pretty cool deal out of this. So with the pouch and the actual Leatherman, and this was 27 and 70 cents euro shipped, so it was pretty awesome deal. This is actually brand new because the guy, he had the earlier model of the Juice, and then for some reason it broke, and it just exchanged for a new one, and then he just didn't want it anymore, so he just sold it to me for this great deal. 27 euros, you can't really beat that for Leatherman Juice. And really, if you can find this for such a nice price, I would definitely recommend you to get this. I'm really enjoying carrying this because I always felt like the CS4 was a little bit bulkier, but this one is just perfect for me. I really enjoy carrying this, and really the blade, it's amazing. My only criticism is that I don't know if you can see, but there's a lot of room in here, and I think they could have made the blade a little bit bigger, but actually it really doesn't bother me because it's a pretty friendly size blade, if you guys understand what I mean. Is that, I don't know, just a blade that you can use in public without scaring everyone. So I hope you guys have enjoyed my review. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you very much.